Welcome to the another segment of Rebel News India, where we will be talking about COVID-19 related issues. As we all know that the whole world is facing another economic recession, which has caused a lot of problems, not only for the India but whole world. So let's talk about it, and in the upcoming slides we will be talking about more on that. COVID-19 pandemic, everything is stuck. There is a less movement around. So talking about it has forced businesses across the world to suspend all its operations such as automobiles, real estate and banking. It is a very difficult time ahead for all of them. And according to a report of Economic Times, world's biggest lockdown may cost 7 to 8 lakh crore to the Indian economy. And today in a press conference, RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das has talked about all this recession. Let's listen to him that what he has to say.
The macroeconomic situation and financial market conditions, we propose to take further measures with the following objectives. So we have therefore decided to undertake what we call TLTRO Operations 2, that is TLTRO 2.0. Accordingly, it has been decided to conduct targeted long-term repo operations TLTRO 2.0 for an aggregate amount of rupees 50,000 crore to begin with. The funds availed by the banks under TLTRO 2.0 should be invested in investment-grade bonds, commercial paper and non-convertible debentures of NBFCs, with at least 50% of the total amount availed going to small and mid-sized NBFCs and MFI. The next announcement relates to refinancing facilities for all India financial institutions like NABARD, SIDBI and the National Housing Bank. In view of the tightening of financial conditions in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, these institutions are today facing difficulties in raising resources from the market. Accordingly, it has been decided to provide special refinance facilities for a total amount of rupees 50,000 crores to NABARD, SIDBI and NHB to enable them to meet sectoral credit needs. It has been decided to reduce the fixed rate reverse repo rate under the liquidity adjustment facility by 25 basis points from 4% to 3.75% with immediate effect. It has now been decided to increase the WMA limit of states by 60% over and above the level as on March 31st, 2020 to provide greater comfort to the states for undertaking COVID containment and mitigation efforts and also to plan their market borrowing programs better.
Now let's listen to the IMF chief Geeta Gopinath, what she has to say. The chief economist of IMF, Geeta Gopinath, has talked about the economic stability, wherein she said there should be a broader economy, stimulus and policy rate will be cut down. That's all for today. We'll come up with more on COVID-19 related issues.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.